Hey guys, so welcome to my tutorial. Um, so I've got this folder. Um, uh, f- um, yeah, so I've got this folder, but it's actually saved in HD docs. Down in the description will be a link to a video showing you how to download xampp and get HD docs. Right? So now we named it Caravan Park, but we're going to name it something else. So what we're going to call it is a full stack to developer. Full stack developer. Try again. Hang on. Gotta close this. There we go. We'll probably what we'll do is Google full stack. Okay, so we're going to call it full stack developer, and the name of the video will be full stack developer. Actually have to close all these, so we open the folder, scroll down to the Windows. Oh, there's a really good thing you can get is you can get you can get Google Drive to back all your stuff up. But I found if you don't, if you save it to all folders, once your depository is full, none of your stuff will save, and it'll none of it would save, and because it would be backed up to the last one you saved, and because the repository is full, it won't let you save over the top of it. So therefore, how I'll put this, once you go to save, say I go in here now, if say this item here is under the Google Drive thing, and it'd have this green thing that glows. Well, what would happen is your depository will get full, and once your depository gets full, it will no longer allow you to save over the top of the file that's on the server, and it will not save your finished product because it's already got one backed up to it. And once it's full, and I have made the mistake of putting my xampp folder into Google Drive, which wasn't a bad idea. Try to back up all my work. That's how I work on it, because xampp can be a pain in the ass sometimes. So what you want to do is we'll start with something easy. My H1. Then we'll head over to Java, and then we don't need anything else. Hang on. This is like practiced like really well. that cheat sheet that I made up and I went through with you guys, I'll go back and I'll redo the same video because I think it was poor quality, if you reckon. I'll try and fit it all in one long video, but I need more subscribers and more views, so YouTube will allow me to do a longer video. Let's throw some drinks into that. Everybody loves Jack Daniels, man. Righto. We could do that, but we won't. These are single. Hang on. I always go overboard. I don't know why. I just do anyhow. And we just go. So strings in JavaScript. Can also display get put a capital. We'll just go Jim. Save, and we'll go back over and we'll put a bar in, and then we'll go H1 ID Jim. I think that's what we named it. Save, and now if you haven't got the live server thing installed, you might want to watch some of my other videos. The link will be in the description. If I haven't made a video, comment and I'll re-edit it. So okay, what's going on here? Yeah, right. We've got to actually add the JavaScript file. Save. And yes, we'll be using xampp in a minute. We haven't quite done it yet. There we go. Jim Bean Jim. So let's do a button, and it's on. Click. This one worked last time, so we'll do this one. And go click. Me. And go function. We just named it. Yep. Function, yep. And don't forget to call the function. Jim's Jack Daniels. This is for the alcoholics. Man, that's freaking hilarious. And go save and save. I've been hitting Control S, so just hit Control S, right? Yeah, righto. There you go. You click on the button and the alert comes up. Now let's move on. Let's go. So a string starts with the $sign in PHP. This is why PHP and JavaScript are the best languages to learn at the same time, because they all cover the same topics. It may be booleans, floats, ifs, do while, strings, functions, for each, index arrays, array. There's a whole list of operators you can use. There's a whole list of concatenation you can use. Say here you might just want to separate these to make it a little neater. And we go back and go back here and we go close all this, close all this, close all this, and we type in full. We've got to get the writing from the folder. You can open in File Explorer. I wish I didn't name it such a tricky name. So what I did there is I clicked up on the top and I copied the link. So this would be really good for the beginners out there, like starting to program. And just put the rest on the end of the localhost, and it will go to the index page. And this is what that prints out. Put a space in there, and there we go. And then function. Actually, we can cars equal. Okay, we can do the first array. Volkswagen, Volvo, BMW, Toyota, yeah, that's it. And then we go print. I got taught this bit when I was doing this course on YouTube, and I'll add it to the description. He was really helpful. He was building hang on, actually we can do it down here. This will look a lot neater. A bit of HTML. So you can put HTML in here if you really want. And CS. Go BMW. This way I don't like. this is the way I like it. So, Toyota. Yeah, we'll get all these. That's the way I like it, and that's called a index array. So I'm learning so much thanks to Copilot and ChatGPT. Things are really starting to make more sense, and I'm memorizing everything. So you probably want to put there you go. Oh, you can go 1, save. Oh, hang on, I don't think you can do that. We'll do this one instead. Print readable. Save. Echo. Okay, this is playing up on me. Just want to print readable, and we'll just put Toyota. There we go. Save that, and it should. I'm not sure about this one, so we'll just delete it and we'll try again. So Toyota, and go. Then we go, and then we go key, boom, Corolla, and we get all these. Oh, fuck. Whoops, sorry. Try not to do that again. Yeah. There we go. And starting to actually get through some of this key in every single pair. Key. Yeah, so index array, and that'll do. Yeah, add key, and go back. 13. I'm having a bit of trouble with this one. I did it before. Oh, don't worry about it. So we can obviously type in title. Can do something like that, and you can go in, you can just run it, and it will change the title. Then we can echo style, can do all that. Change color and save. Forgot to put that on the end, and we can just run it again, and that changes the color. So you can obviously do CS, and so we can actually lower this. Boom, 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 and boom, and you can body, background, white, gray, save, run. There we go. You can, even if you wanted to, you could add an image, and then we can, yeah, that's what we want, and we can just have a look at the images if we got anything saved in there. No, we don't. What about data? Okay, data. Cab net 1.png, and we just, for this, we just put single quotes and save, and there we go. You can add an image in PHP. Alright, see you guys.